So, I welcome you to the lecture series on practical DBMS, where we are trying to learn different SQL statements, trying to learn how to execute them in our Oracle DBMS. And today, our topic is order by. Okay, we are trying to learn this order by clause. So, you see this example. Without wasting time, I'm coming to the practical example. So, see these two different statements. In one statement, I am writing select all from cast1 where CID is greater than equal to 0 to order by CID space ASC. And another statement, everything is same, but I have written order by CID DESC. So that's what order by is. So order by helps us by giving two different options. Means either ascending, that is ASC, or descending, that is DESC. And ascending means, in an ascending order, like 1, after 1 we have 2, after 2 we have 3, after 3 we have 4, like that. And descending means the reverse one, that is, suppose from coming from 9, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, like that. That is descending. So as per our own suitable case, we may apply either ascending order to see the data, to have a look at the data, and or we may apply descending as per our own suitability. And for that, we are going to use order by clause. Okay, so do note down these two different statements, and using your SQL command box, you can directly execute this one. So I'm going to open my SQL command box. So let's open it. So this is my SQL command box. So see, I have written the code. First, I am just going to show you the data I have in cast1 table. So select all from cast1. You see, these are the data. So CID values we have 1, 2, 9, 5, 6, 7. This is not in an ordered form. Okay, order form it means this is not in a sorted order. So I want this data in ascending order, that is from 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, like that. So let's print that. So I have written this statement select all from cast1 where CID is greater than equal to 0 to. I am considering from 0 to, do note it. You can consider it from 0, 1 also. Okay, order by CID space ASC for the ascending order. So let's run it. See, now these data are in sorted form. So CID values coming 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, isn't it? So that's very beautiful, of course. Now let's reverse the order. So I want 9 coming before 7, then like 6, 5, 2. So I am writing the statement select all from cast1 where CID is greater than equal to 0 to order by CID DESC. So do remember, not DSC. I have seen the student usually committing a mistake like putting DSC instead of DESC. So it is DESC. Okay, so let's run this. Now see, the output is coming like CID 97652. So this is the descending order. So I hope you have learned how to perform the ordering in our means displaying the data in some sorted order. So we have seen two orders, ascending and descending. So coming to today's question, and today's question is how you will perform the descending order. Okay, so comment your answer and don't skip the practical. I'm putting these efforts only for you guys, so don't skip it. Okay, so meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.